exploring space and the planet Earth. Today we explore the possibilities of the destructive force of earthquakes. Welcome back to Shore Explorers, where we dive into the fascinating world of natural disasters. In today's episode, we'll explore the hypothetical scenario of a magnitude 9.5 earthquake striking central California. Now, remember, this is a simulation for educational purposes only. Let's imagine what would happen if such a powerful quake were to occur. Central California sits along the famous San Andreas Fault, a major tectonic boundary capable of producing devastating earthquakes. A magnitude 9.5 quake, though extremely rare, would be among the strongest ever recorded. For the purpose of this simulation, we'll explore the effects over a 5-minute period. As the earthquake begins, intense seismic waves propagate from the epicenter, located deep within the Earth's crust. Central California experienced violent shaking, with ground acceleration exceeding anything ever witnessed. Buildings, bridges, and infrastructure would be severely affected. In populated areas like cities, the destruction would be immense. High-rise buildings would sway violently, and even well-constructed structures might suffer extensive damage. The prolonged shaking would put an enormous strain on buildings, potentially causing partial or complete collapses. The ground would rupture along the fault line, resulting in large cracks that could stretch for miles. This rupture would disrupt roads, railways, and other crucial transportation systems, making it difficult for emergency services to reach affected areas. The magnitude 9.5 earthquake could also trigger a devastating tsunami along the coast. The undersea seismic activity would displace vast amounts of water, generating massive waves that would travel across the Pacific Ocean. Coastal communities would face a dual threat, dealing with both the quake's impact and the approaching tsunami. In the aftermath of such a catastrophic event, immediate evacuation and emergency response would be critical. Authorities would mobilize resources to assist survivors, provide medical aid, and establish temporary shelters. Rescue teams from neighboring regions and other states would offer assistance. Rebuilding Central California would be an enormous undertaking. It would require extensive resources, time, and collective efforts to restore infrastructure, homes, and communities. Lessons learned from past earthquakes and disaster management practices would guide the reconstruction process. Despite the devastation caused by a magnitude 9.5 earthquake, Californians are resilient. With time, dedication, and the support of the global community, the affected areas would recover and rebuild. That concludes our simulation of a magnitude 9.5 earthquake hitting Central California. Remember, it's essential to stay prepared and informed about potential natural disasters in your area. Join us next time on Shore Explorers as we delve into more captivating topics. Until then, stay safe and be vigilant. Like, share, and subscribe.